Guys, today we have one of the most dashing and handsome television actor, none other than Tarun Khanna is here with us. So let's welcome him, give him a warm welcome. So Tarun, hi, are you there? Yes. Hi Tarun, welcome to Filmy Beat.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so talking about this lockdown period, how this lockdown is going on with you?
Well, the lockdown ended almost a couple of months back for me because I've been shooting now. We started shooting in the last week of July, I think. So the lockdown actually ended on the 23rd of June for us, for the film industry people, television industry.
Mm-hmm.
So, but before that, it was quite tough. It was very tough. But the good thing was that I was able to spend time with my family. I hadn't seen my son in a long, long time. Like I hadn't spent so much of time with him at a stretch. So I got to know him. I got to, spend time with him. That was the one good thing.
Okay, so what you have explored in yourself during this lockdown period?
I have explored that I can actually watch more television than I knew. I was sometimes awake till 5, 6 in the morning and binge watching a lot of shows that I had missed out on over the years. So I normally in my now like last 2 months have been so busy that I haven't got any time to watch any television or any program that I do. I don't even watch my own shows. So I watched whole of Chandragupta Maurya. I watched whole of Shani also. So I watched my shows and other shows that I wanted to watch. So I realized that I can actually watch a lot of television.
Okay, so what is the best memory of lockdown you will have entire your life, like best period?
Spending more than 100 days with my son. What more can I ask?
All right, so after a long time going back on sets, how risky it is, to go back and shoot because everyone knows like COVID has not yet ended. So, what do you want to say about the safety and security thing?
I'm talking about myself. But I am a very strict person as far as protocol is concerned. So I follow the protocol. I'm not scared of corona. I don't know why. Because maybe I know that my immunity is good enough. I don't have any problems. I normally also don't get ill or sick, touch wood. So I know that, but again, there is a threat of corona. I know that because more than 5 lakh people have died in this world. So it's a real threat out there. But I believe that somewhere you need to be a little see, unless until you go out there in the world, you won't know what is happening and what is not happening. So the producers are taking good care of us. The production house and the whole team over there, they have sanitized the whole place. So I actually don't have to worry about anything. I just have to go and present myself on the sets. Rest everything is taken care of by them.
Okay, so like how was it, after going back a long time, इतने बड़े break के बाद जब वापस जाते हो तो उस time का मुझे बताओ, like how was it when you like when you was on set for the first time after a long break? You were excited, nervous या फिर चीजें कैसी हो रही है ये सब देख रहे थे या फिर क्या था, like what was in your mind?
Honestly, nervous तो नहीं था. I wasn't nervous because I've been acting for so long now that there is no point of getting nervous, and I don't get nervous about anything. The only thing was I was a little curious as to how people will be actually doing and what all guidelines they will follow. Before we started shooting, we all were quarantined together, like in different flats. In Umargaon, we started shooting. So for 15, 16 days, everybody was quarantined. So once the period of 15 days crossed and everybody was still living there, nobody went anywhere. So you know that the person is clean, he doesn't have any problem. So once you know that, then the confidence level automatically grows. You know that everybody will be clean. Now when I'm going shooting in Bombay, when I'm shooting for Tena, that is shot in Naigaon, Bombay. So there is still a threat of getting affected. But the thing is that the whole crew, the whole unit, basically, they stay in the set only. They don't go back home. Only the actors get to go back home.
Okay.
So
All right. So
these are
definitely.
the
Yeah. So now, as you said कि you have started resume your show, like अभी वापस से काम चालू हो गया, तो क्या twist and turns अब आने वाले हैं आपके शो में, like what people are going to watch now?
Well, Tenali mein lot of things are happening. There is a very strong buzz that Raja Krishna Dev Rai is making a comeback in the show. So that is the biggest high point of this show, because Tenali Ram is all about, the show is all about Tenali Ram and Raja Krishna Dev Rai. It's between the camaraderie of these two people. And when Raja Krishna Dev Rai will come back, right now he hasn't made his appearance as yet, so people are still guessing. I'm playing a character called Suraj, who is like a mediator between to be, or is he some